Welcome back, guys, and now you can download YouTube videos in a single click in your device, not in YouTube. How I'm going to tell you in a very short time. If you like the video after watching this, please do consider to subscribe this channel. So just open the YouTube, and here if you are watching any video or you have made your video, suppose I will show you my videos. Just go view channel and videos. Suppose I want to download any video. Suppose I want to download popular videos, any video, how to find SSID number or how to fix no service. Okay, see, just tap on the three dots here, and here one will come download video. Okay, suppose you are opening this YT Studio, then see what will happen. We will go, as soon as we will go to the contacts and we will go to the videos, and suppose we want to download any video. Okay, suppose any video, suppose this. Yeah, this save to the device option is coming. Okay, there it was coming download video, and here save to device. As soon as you will this, in a single click, you have to turn the notification on. The video has been downloaded and we can see the video in the gallery. One album has been created, video capture, and here the video has there, not video capture, movies, I think. Here the video is there, will be there. It is being downloaded. You can see here downloading. Okay, see, as soon as it will be downloaded, it will be here. With a single click you can download the video. Let us wait for a while, and after that, so we will check again gallery, and here in movies, see, the third video has come. It has been downloaded. So if you want to suppose you have made a video and you want to download it, this downloaded video have that quality, but the space will be less. It will consume less space than the earlier original video. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like this channel, please do consider to subscribe this. Thank you very much.